Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a video of child abuse. I wanted to stop, and I know someone who really wants it to stop, and I really wanted to stop too, because that's bad, and animal abuse. I want nothing abuse. Children abuse, animal abuse, kid abuse, whatever it's called, I don't care. I wanted to stop. And I have a special guest. It's my cousin Brandon. He wanted to stop too. Raise your hand if you wanted to stop. See, we both wanted to stop. So he's gonna be the dad and I'm gonna be the mom, and we're gonna do like a child abuse. He's gonna act all nice around me, but when I leave, he's gonna be like so messed up to this doll and throw it and all that stuff. Okay. Don't pause it. Okay, so I have to go to work, so here's the food and all that stuff that you need for the supplies. And baby, she is bored sometimes, so take her out here.
Okay.
Yes!
Throw the baby in the air. Catch it.
Dude, Brandon, don't throw it up because I could get stuck up there.
Was that fun?
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Hard, hard. Like, make it look hard. Make it look hard.
How?
Like,
So was that so fun? Okay. Is that for you?
give it a cool. Oh, Brendan.
Want some? No. Never.
You're gonna starve to death.
You're gonna starve to death. Want some bottle? You want some? You? Are you sure? I don't do it.
You can have some and put it back in the bag.
We can't have some. One of the people who goes. That's your hey. Here. Take it.
Throw it.
Take it. No.
Go get it and throw it in the bag. Go get it and throw it back in the bag. Wait, they didn't catch that. Again, they didn't catch that. They didn't catch that.
Here, catch it.
Oh, get it. Try to hit it. Try to hit the baby.
Sit like that, okay? Put your head on the ground. That was fun, right?
The baby want the blink. Did you eat?
You Blinky?
Never! Get it and hit it. Like, hit it.
Want some more plate? There you go.
Bunny. Go like this. Look, Brandon. Go like this. Go like this. Do it.
Let me take you a little shower, okay?
I know one.
Okay. Let me shake it off. Okay, it's your nap time. Go in.
Zip it up. Actually, don't zip it up so the baby could get out. Don't zip it up. Don't zip it up so the baby could get out.
Like flying out.
Yeah.